Welcome to my channel. As you can see, I have my hair all ready for a crochet video. So this is my crochet braid pattern. And I really just didn't want to have a lot of locks. So as you can see, I've just done some very big sections of hair and we're going to see how it's going to turn out. And the hair that I'm going to be using today is the Bobbi California butterfly locks with soft tips in an 18-inch, and I'm using these ones because they are fairly chunky. I've got them in a color 1B. First one is in, so I'm hoping that with only using a few I can still get a really good effect. It's pre-looped, big loop. I have created this type of square grid effect, so it looks like an individual braid. I'm just going to hook that on like that, pull it through, and then because it's quite chunky, I'm going to use the crochet needle to thread it through the loop. Pull, 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 pull. Yahoo! Pull. Very nice. And keep going. Drowsy state. I like to do my crochet in two parts. Do the hair initially, sleep on it, wake up in the morning, feel for any gaps, and then carry on. So just got to put a few more locks in and then I'll show you the finished look. I'm so delighted. It's more than I thought it was going to be. I really like it. It's not too dense. I love the texture. You can really see the knobbles on this. Look at that texture. Wow. And this way of doing it just sort of makes it look like I've got individual locks on my head. Here is the front, side and back. Oh, I absolutely love it. So let's just go through some of the deets of this particular hair. This is the California butterfly locks with soft tips. So as you can see, the ends have slightly curly tips on them. To be honest with you, whether you go for the normal tips, soft tips, I think it's all much of a muchness. The stock card says authentic natural hairstyle created with Bobbi Jamaica braid for a strikingly real finish. It says masterful color blend, so I presume if you take a different color that will be true for you. A pre-looped crochet, time-saving, effortless installation. I would just caveat that and say that because it is knobbly and they're quite chunky, these ones, you do have to put the end in through the loop. And I think that that means that it takes just a tiny bit longer than, you know, standard other types of installs. But do you know what? It just took about 40 minutes to put these in total. After having done the base. Natural texture, remarkably natural look and soft touch to handling. So it's not as soft as some of the braids that they do, but it's not too rough either. Does it look natural? Well, you need to tell me that, don't you? So I'll be looking forward to hearing your comments down below. And then excellent hot water setting. Well, I haven't tried to curl this hair and I will not be trying to curl the hair. The whole point of me buying the hair with the tips at the end was so that I didn't have to do any of that. I am so pleased with this because I really like it when my hair is lightweight. I don't like too many locks on my head. And I actually used, how many strands have I got left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've got 5 strands left. Oh no, I've got 7 strands left. So basically in a single pack you get sort of 2 bundles, and I used just over 3 bundles of hair. If you're buying the California butterfly locks without the soft tips, you'll only need 1 pack, and if you're buying with the soft tips, you need 2 packs. And that's because the California butterfly locks come with 3 bundles in a pack, whereas the soft tips come with 2 bundles in the back. But I wanted the soft tips, so here we are. I can just imagine that as this gets older, it will get lovelier. and all that texture will really come alive. Look at that. The way I did the base means that I can actually pull the hair up. So I was also pleased about that. I didn't quite manage to get my parting straight, sort of like a ridge mounting going on there. The nice thing about not having it too dense is that I can actually get the hair up and not have a headache or anything because it's too heavy. So ladies, if you want to have butterfly locks and do them yourself, you can. It all sort of just interlocks so easily because of the knobbly texture. This texture just makes for an absolutely stunning bun. I mean, look at that. You've got to try these. Just try them at least once. I highly recommend if you're looking to get nice, thicker butterfly locks. Mwah! Love it, love it. Hopefully, I'll also let you know how long these last if I remember to do the video. I almost forgot. I've wangled a discount code for you all. Get yourself 10% off either the Cali locks with the soft tips or the normal California locks when you use the discount code on your screen. Aren't they cute, these little bits of jewellery?